Welcome back, guys. User enumeration. What I'm going to show you in this video is how the attacker can build up a list of registered users in the web application. So we don't want the attacker to be able to enumerate the users of the web application, right? We don't want it to happen because it's definitely not good from security point of view that the attacker may be able to build up a list of all registered users in the web application. We don't want it to happen. But we testers, hackers, we need to learn if this user enumeration attack is possible or not. And this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So the question is how to do it, how to check if the user enumeration is possible or not. So what you basically have to do is you have to check how the web application responds to existing and non-existing emails. This is a kind of recipe for you, right? So if you want to check if user enumeration is possible, just do this quick test. How the web application responds to existing and non-existing emails. In other words, is there any difference? Can we learn something from these responses? Can we differentiate if the email is registered or not, if the email is existing or non-existing, right? This kind of thinking. And I'm gonna show you in a minute in a demo how it works. What's more, attackers are smart. They will try user enumeration not only in login functionality, which is the most natural starting point of this attack, right? They are smart and they are trying to find any other way of building up this list of registered users. So forgot password functionality is also a good point to launch this attack, right? And this is it. What I have seen in many web applications is that as long as we are talking about login functionality, user enumeration is prevented. You cannot do it. But on the other hand, when I go to forgot password functionality, I can really learn who is registered in the web application and who is not. And this is this kind of smart thinking. This is what hackers do. If they got a goal, they try to reach this goal using different paths, right? If you've got a goal and you want to achieve this goal, try different ways of achieving this goal, right? And this is it. Try different ways of doing the same thing. So don't give up if you see that this kind of attack is not possible via login functionality. Focus also on forgot password functionality, and then you may be successful. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you in the demo. So now it's time to go to the demo. Now it's time to show you in practice how it works. And yeah, now let me stop talking for a while and let me jump to the demo right now.